This video will guide you how to remove shock absorber in the Vito V200. So this is the car. You can see here this is a long wheelbase too much and engine compartment is a very less, so it's a very difficult to remove the shock absorber. So definitely this video will help you to and save your time while replacing this removing the shock absorber. You can see here this shock absorber was leaking, that's why we are just removing this shock absorber both. So it's you can see here 3 caps, so need to remove this cap and you can use the suitable tool, so 16 mm, then you can loose and remove the shock absorber. This right side also, third one is the very difficult because you cannot use the from top the tool, just you have to use the tool from bottom like side. You can use this mark I use for camber adjustment because need to do alignment. So also you have to mark because it's easy. After replacement removing the shock absorber we have to adjust the camber, that's why I mark here. And this wheel sensors all are removed. I removed. Now you can make the space also while doing, because if you want to remove it will take time, just saving the time. Just without removing this one I make the gap and I try to remove the shock absorber. Really it's easy and you can save the time while doing this type of. So these are the bolt on the top of the shock absorber, 3 one side, 3 each side. So these are the, you can see here how this difficult to remove. And here from top just I use this suitable tool. You can see here my tool, it will make the gap between top cover and this arm. So last one you can use like this because you cannot put it from top. You can use the tool, you can use the side.